What recent investment announcements were made by the White House in 2026? These bold moves could reshape America's economy and your future in surprising ways. In 2026, the White House announced a massive $50 billion investment to accelerate the clean energy revolution. This funding aims to expand solar farms, wind turbines, and cutting-edge battery storage across the country. The goal? Slash carbon emissions dramatically by 2035 and create millions of green jobs. This is not just about fighting climate change, it's about transforming America into a global leader in clean technology. To maintain technological supremacy, the White House committed $30 billion to breakthrough areas like artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and semiconductor manufacturing. This funding will boost research, build advanced factories, and train a new generation of tech experts. The aim is to reduce reliance on foreign supply chains and power the next wave of innovation that will impact every industry from healthcare to defense. The White House also unveiled a $40 billion plan to upgrade America's infrastructure. This includes modernizing highways, expanding high-speed internet to rural areas, and improving clean water access. This investment aims to create jobs, bridge inequality gaps, and prepare the country for future economic challenges. By improving infrastructure, everyday life and business operations will become more efficient and sustainable. These recent White House investment announcements could transform your daily life and the economy for decades. From clean energy to tech innovation and infrastructure, the future is being built now. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay ahead of the curve.